Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. As you all know that our live session was conducted in the morning, but due to some reasons our session was not recorded on Zoom. So I am doing it again for you people, and I will upload this on the Google Classroom. So today's lecture is from chapter number 6, television versus newspaper. Chapter number 6, page number 68, television versus newspaper. So beta, the page number 6, open page number 68 on your books. Let's start with the reading. News coverage of television is different from reading newspaper. Newspapers were primarily established to cover the news, and later on they added entertainment. On the other side, television was mainly invented for entertainment, and then it became an effective news medium. Now, television news has become a powerful rival to newspaper. Though both of these mediums cover the news effectively, there are distinct differences in the way they do it. Now, news coverage, both the medium of information, they are doing their work, but initially there was only one medium of information, that was newspaper, that was established primarily for the purpose of providing information and news to the people, but later on the entertainment was added to it. On the other side, television was primarily invented for entertainment, but it also became a powerful medium of information. So both the mediums are covering their aspects, and they are doing their duty properly, but there are some differences in the way they are doing it. Newspaper do not require us to sit at a place and read the news. Busy people may read the news anytime of the day. They may read the news that is important to them early in the morning, and carry the newspaper with them to read it in the bus or van. They may also choose to omit certain aspects of the news that they are not interested in. So what is it? That newspaper is easy to read, rather easy to read. It isn't easy to read for the people who are illiterate or the elderly people, but newspaper is not time consuming. It requires less time. It doesn't bound the person, that the person has to sit at a certain place at a certain time and read the news. Busy people may read the newspaper any time of the day according to their daily routine. They may read the breaking news or headlines in the morning, and they can carry the newspaper with them wherever they are going. So newspaper is the one benefit of the newspaper is that we can carry it anywhere, anytime, and we can read any part that we want to read, and we can skip some parts that we are not interested in. On the other hand, television requires its viewers to be at a certain place at a certain time in order to watch and listen to the news. If they are busy people, they will miss the news. They cannot choose which piece of the news. They cannot choose to read it on and move or throughout the day. They cannot even choose which piece of news they wish to skip. One way could be to record the news and but the point and can be watched later on, but the point here is that it is not that convenient. On the other hand, watching television bounds a viewer to sit at a certain place at a certain time, and the person has to watch the whole news and listen to the whole news. The person doesn't have the choice to skip anything or or manage it according to his or her daily routine. So the only way to make it convenient for ourselves is to record the news and watch it later, but it is not that easy. Television brings laziness in us. We can view the news with we can view the news with a little or no effort, since it is particularly a form of entertainment. If we have the leisure time, we can view the television news any time of the day or night. It broadcasts the news as it is happening. Much mastery of language is not necessary for a person who prefers to view the news on television, because everything is visual and auditory. A person with a basic knowledge of broadcast language will be able to view and understand it. In comparison, the reader of a newspaper needs to be proficient in the language in order to understand it better. This next thing is that for a reader of a newspaper, the person has to be proficient in language. That if the person is proficient in the language, he would be able to read and understand what is written in the newspaper. On the other hand, television is the fastest means of communication, that it can broadcast the things that are happening in the world just in a click of a second. But on the other hand, newspapers is not that quick. Watching television is more easy for even for especially or elderly people, or elderly people who may not able to read and write, or who may have some eyesight issues or some other problems. It will be more beneficial for them to watch the news on television, because it is auditory and visual. So both the things are beneficial for those persons. Although television can give us the most updated news and visuals, newspaper can give us more in-depth coverage. Where television is giving us fastest news, is the fastest medium of information. On the other hand, newspaper is giving us more in-depth coverage. It means that we can read different writers' point of view, different expert analysis and point of view. We can read articles and columns of different writers, and we can be aware of their point of view, and we can even check the validity of the news. Readers even the benefit of newspaper is that readers can even give feedback by writing to the forum pages. But on the other hand, it may not be that much beneficial, because it is such a time taking process. Viewers of television news do not have this luxury, but on the other hand, the viewers of television news, they don't have that facility of recording the session and giving relevant feedback. Each medium has strengths that the other does not. Each makes use of strong points that the other lacks. Television news is like having a fast food meal. So both the medium of information are important, but television news is like having a fast food meal, that it is quick and easy. It is quick and easy. And on the other hand, the a newspaper is compared with the 10-course dinner. Why is it compared with the 10-course dinner? What is a 10-course dinner? That a long and detailed dinner, the homemade long and detailed dinner. That's why the newspaper is compared with it, that it gives us more in-depth coverage. The ideal seems to be if one has the time to both read the newspaper and watch. And the best situation is if a person has the time to read the newspaper and watch the news on television. That is the ideal situation for a person. So the writer is not giving his point of view that which one is better. He is just concluding his lesson on the point that both the medium of information are important, and if a person has the time to manage both, it will be easier for us to do it. Okay, so the lesson is over. I think it is clear to all of you. We'll start up with the exercises in the next lesson, maybe in school, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourselves, and Allah Hafiz.